Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be creating this look that I have. So it's a brownish with a pop of color and I decided to do teal. So this video was actually inspired by another YouTuber. Her name is Jocy Reyes. I'll link her YouTube down below, but she did the exact same look using obviously different palettes than the ones that I'll be using. But she did the blue teal with brownish, so I just tried to recreate what she was doing. So thank you to her, and I really love how it turned out. I thought it wasn't going to be as nice as hers, but in my opinion I really think that I did a good job on this eye look, so I really like it. If you guys would like to see how I created this look and what items I used, just keep on watching. I will be linking all of the things down below in the description bar. Alright guys, so there you have it. This was my finished look. If you guys would like to see more videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment any suggestions that you might have, what videos you guys would like to see. I am at 67 subscribers, so I need about 30-ish more subscribers to do my giveaway, so I'm almost there. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.